Hello again, welcome to the video. Today I will show you how to install Kali Linux environment on virtual machine. A brief introduction. Oracle VM VirtualBox is a free and open source hosted hypervisor for x86 virtualization, developed by Oracle Corporation. Created by Inotech, it was acquired by Sun Microsystems in 2008, which was in turn acquired by Oracle in 2010. VirtualBox may be installed on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Solaris, and OpenSolaris. Now let's go to installation. Let's go to download the Linux image file. When you click on the link I gave in the description section, you will see a screen like this. From this screen, you will click on the virtual machines section and select the VirtualBox part from the screen that opens. A file of 4 GB size. After downloading it, you can continue the rest of the video. Let's continue from where we left off. Now that all the downloads are finished, I will show you how to distribute it in the Linux virtual environment. There are two ways to transfer the OVA file we downloaded. The first is to add it by double-clicking on it. The second is to click the Add button and give the path of the file. I will share both with you.